In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nordvpn. Set it up and use it like a professional in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to the world of VPNs or just looking to streamline your setup, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to open the Nordvpn app. If you haven't already downloaded it, head over to the Nordvpn website and look for the download section. Once you've installed the software, launch the application by double-clicking the Nordvpn icon on your desktop, or finding it through your Applications folder. With the app open, let's move on to the next step. Connecting to a server. Nordvpn makes this incredibly easy with its intuitive interface. On the main screen, you'll see a world map dotted with little blue circles. These circles represent different countries where Nordvpn has servers. You can either click directly on the map or use the list on the left-hand side to select your preferred server country. Once you've made your choice, click the Connect button. In just a few seconds, you'll be connected to the server of your choice. The app will notify you once the connection is secure, signaling that your internet traffic is now encrypted and your IP address is masked. Now that you're connected, let's enhance your security even further by enabling Nordvpn's extra security features. You'll find these options by navigating to the Settings menu. Look out for features like CyberSec, which provides additional protection from ads, trackers, and malicious websites. There's also the Automatic Kill Switch, an essential tool that disconnects your device from the internet if the VPN connection drops. This ensures your data is never exposed, even momentarily. Make sure to toggle this on for maximum protection. Additionally, Nordvpn offers a select option for double VPN, which routes your connection through 2 separate servers for an extra layer of encryption. While this might slow down your internet slightly, it offers unparalleled privacy. This is highly recommended if you're handling sensitive information. Spend some time familiarizing yourself with these features to ensure you're getting the most out of your VPN service. There you have it. With Nordvpn set up and with these extra security features enabled, you're now ready to browse the internet securely and privately. Remember, keeping your online activity safe is essential in this digital age, and with Nordvpn, you can achieve that effortlessly. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your safe browsing experience.